Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 3. Kind of thought of another way to do it that might be simpler because you never know how big the lip should be when you make 4 of them. So let's make 4 of them this time. So we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, then I'm going to hit R to put it to the right side of the page. Now, to kind of figure it out, I'm going to go Control D. I'm going to bring in my indexing lines. And I'm going to move the center rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it is, but it is. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now we kind of see how much room we have to play with. So instead of using another ellipse, I thought, let's use the 3-point curve line. And I'm going to go right there to that quadrant. And I'm going to go pretty close to the other one. And then I'm going to bring the sweep in. And you could play with that quite a bit. You don't want to interfere too much with the circle. So we can grab the shape tool now and move that out just a little bit so it won't kind of interfere. And we could actually probably move that up a little bit more and maybe make it a little bit more of a sweep. And now you've got it all figured out. Take the virtual segment delete key and delete that quadrant. Let's go ahead and delete this ellipse. This is quite large, so it's almost 20 inches. I want to set my nudge factor on 20. And I'm going to fill this in with the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to move that over. And then I'm going to move this out of the way. Then I can nudge it right back. I actually like that yellow and burnt orange. Interactive fill, come down, put burnt orange in that corner. You know, on the other video, I actually did the clone tool. And so if you didn't watch part 2, you can learn how to do that. But anyway, Control D and make a duplicate. Click on the X, get it in the center, get off of it, click back. And now we're going to rotate that 90 degrees. Control D, Control D. So to me, it was a little bit faster. And, you'd have to play with your basically your equation on what size ellipse it would be, but that looks pretty cool. Maybe if I did it again, I'd put a little bit more sweep to it, but it looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.